S&G back in the garage, back from our little trip. If you watched any videos, we had a little issue with Jonesy's bike, and we're digging into it. If you've already subscribed, thank you very much. If you haven't, consider it, and we'll turn this thing around and let you know what Jonesy found. Jones, what the hell's going on?
You wouldn't believe it if I told you. You would. I got here this morning, back from my update seminar. I thought, compensator nut's loose. So first thing I did was take the primary, drain the oil, took the primary, outer primary off. And, okay, so I put the wedge in there. It wasn't loose. I started it up and I could still hear it. Dang, 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 dang. It was hard to pinpoint where it was coming from. So you got here, and we tore into it. We found that this back push rod here felt a little, we were turning it, spinning it, and it was going weeble wobble, weeble wobble. So we took that one out, and lo and behold, I don't think your tappet's supposed to do that.
No, we've got all your...
This one here seems to be fine, but that one definitely is no good.
And there's not a needle bearing one in there.
No. So that sound
Hopefully
right
they
there.
fell out on the ground.
I don't think they fell on the ground. I don't think they would have fallen.
Hello in there. Hello in there, needle bearings.
Pretty much. Yeah, I mean, it's hard to see it, but this push rod is bent. See it right down here when I spin it.
Yeah.
So it's bent. So worst case scenario, hopefully we're going to take these other two push rods out. I'm pretty sure the cam's wiped out. The biggest thing is we got to make sure we clean it out good. Get all them needle bearings, and they're all going to be right here at the oil pump.
Hopefully they're all at the bottom of that thing.
Yeah.
We don't have anything in here. I don't know if they're chewed up, but it'd be nice. I don't know how many are in there.
Oh, I'd say there's at least 10 or 12.
It'd be nice if we can count them to make sure that we got them all. Tear one apart or something.
Yeah.
We'll figure something out.
If
anybody knows how many needle bearings are in whatever brand
these are.
tappet that is, who knows?
So, I mean, I guess another thing bad about this is this happened at about 30,000 on this bike. And I had new tappets and push rods and cam put in this thing. And I rode it 50 miles. I'm not going to say who worked on it. Doesn't matter. He didn't clean it out good. At 50 miles, my oil light came back on. And all the needle bearings and crap were into my old oil pump. And I had to have a new oil pump put in it. So this time, I'm going to do it myself. You're going to help me because I'm not the best mechanic in the world.
You don't let him kid you.
We're going to clean this thing out good and ride it to the next scene of the accident.
That's right. That's right.
So I guess the good thing is it's not going to be $2,000. What do you think you're going to have in yours? Because you're doing the same thing to yours.
Yeah, I'm going to put, new cam, new push rods. You'll need everything that I'm doing. So, I think you're going to have about $600 in it.
So there's the next one. So I already got, I mean, there's no sense of putting one push rod in, correct?
You know what, buddy? I wouldn't for the cost of them. Your part, you don't want to do it again in your lifetime, right?
Exactly.
So, anyhow, that's the story.
And we're sticking to it. The worst, I mean, like you say, I can't tell looking down in there. I think this one here, I think this one's bad too. It feels like there's a lip on it.
We'll know when we collapse it. Let's collapse that other one. We'll pull that tappet block off and tappets out, and we'll show you what we find. Jones, you might as well show them the other side.
Well, we got the front one off. Now this one was good. Look at that one. That's not good. It's got a huge ridge on it. I'm 99.999% sure the cam's wasted. So we're gonna put cam bearings, tappets, and push rods. Not that I like being Bobsy twins, but by God, you're doing the same thing to your bike.
Oh, yeah.
But hopefully yours isn't like that, because we got to find all those needle bearings down in there. They're down in there. I'm just gonna make sure we get it cleaned out good.
Better keep an eye on your oil pressure.
Oh my gosh! Well,
Right?
I just got done telling you. Every time I ride this thing now, when I hear a noise, my butthole's gonna pucker. But it is what it is, and
And we might want to take a look at that too. That looks like that's
thing's falling apart.
got a crack in it.
I can weld that up bigger than you know what. I don't know if you can look down in there and see the cam, but it's definitely got some groovage on that third lobe out from in there. Definitely gonna put a cam in it. Like you said, it ain't worth it, even if it ain't bad. It ain't worth a couple $100 not putting a new cam in it.
I don't think so.
Nope, I ain't going. Well, I don't want to have to go through this again. So, if you ride them, wrench them. You ride them hard, you're really going to have to wrench them. Hey, it keeps us out of the bars. Yeah, and thank goodness I got a good buddy that can help me put this back together.
Yeah, well, I'm not quite sure about that, but we'll give her hell. All right, later, people.
Enjoy the rest of your day.